Hello students of class 6, I'm going to continue with the chapter universe and the solar system in this video. So in the last video we have discussed about the definition of planet, definition of the solar system, and now I will be starting with the description of the planets that is a part of our solar system. So the first planet that I'm going to start today is the Mercury. It is the nearest planet to the sun, as well as it is also the smallest planet. The distance between the Mercury and the sun is about 58 million kilometers only, and it takes only 88 days to orbit around the sun. The diameter of the Mercury is about 4,878 kilometers, and the Mercury has got no satellite. So what is that? Mercury is the first planet in our solar system. It is the nearest planet to the star. The size of the Mercury is smaller in comparison to the other planets, and the distance between the sun and the Mercury is about 58 million kilometers, and it takes only 88 days to orbit around the sun, means to revolve around the sun. The diameter of the Mercury is about 4,878 kilometers, and the Mercury has got no satellite. Next, we have the next planet in our solar system is the Venus. It is the second planet in our solar system, and the distance between the Venus and the sun is about 108 million kilometers. It is seen as the brightest object in the sky, and it is also visible from our earth itself. Okay, and so either during the time of the dusk, when we call this Venus as the evening star, or during the time of the dawn, when we call this Venus as the morning star. The diameter of the Venus is about 12,104 kilometers, and it takes total 225 days to orbit around the sun. The Venus is also known as one of the hottest planet on the solar system. Why? Because in the atmosphere of the Venus, the accumulation of CO2, means carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide as a result of that, what happens? Radiation of the sun, radiation that is coming from the sun is absorbed by this planet, and the heat that is emitted is actually get trapped by the CO2 that is present in the atmosphere, which actually creates or leads to the increase of heat extensively in this planet. As a result of that, the temperature of the planet is very high, and it is known as the one of the hottest planet in the solar system. The temperature of the this planet sometimes rises to about 465 degrees Celsius. The third planet in our solar system is our Earth. Okay, according to the position from the sun, it is the third planet, but according to the size, it is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Okay, the Earth is located at a position where the temperature of the Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has got a plenty of source of water and oxygen in the atmosphere, and as a result of that, it has been able to support life. No other planet in the solar system has got this condition of the presence of the water and the oxygen. As a result of that, no other planet is able to support the life. The average distance between the sun and the earth is about 150 million kilometer, and the diameter of the earth is about 12,756 kilometer. The earth takes total time period of 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 46 seconds to complete one revolution around the sun. Okay, the maximum temperature of the earth that is being recorded is 58 degrees Celsius. It is found in the Death Valley of California. Mars is the fourth planet according to the location in the solar system. The color of the Mars is reddish, and it is also like the earth, neither too hot nor too cold, and the average distance between the sun and the Mars is about 228 million kilometer. The total orbital period of the Mars is about 687 days, and the diameter of the Mars is about 6,794 kilometer. The maximum temperature that is recorded on the surface of the Mars is about 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, the color of the Mars appears reddish. Why? Because of the presence of iron rich minerals in its soil, and as a result of that, this planet appears red in color, and it has got 2 satellites. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next chapter portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.